Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aries, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, guys. These are for your general energies, guys. Aries, this is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys. If you want more clarity, Aries, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So let's start with these cards. We have Messenger of Earth, King of Earth, and Three of Water. So in your situation, guys, Aries, you are someone really hardworking, talented, and no matter how hard your circumstances are, you have that grit and perseverance. You work hard, try to do the best, doing everything in your limit, maybe using all your skills and talents, and you are someone really dedicated and committed to whatever you take up, guys. And that may be the reason, though your circumstances may be really worrying you, but still all those hard work and efforts you are putting in, holding on, having that courage and determination, that is the reason your efforts and dedication is going to pay off, guys. Things are going to resolve, and you are attracting abundance and prosperity in your situation. So you are aligning yourself with that highest good in your life through your honest efforts, through your concentration and your work ethics or ideals, whatever you have for yourself. So you are someone who is really determined, hard working, and that is the reason you are going to see positive changes in your circumstances very soon, guys, Aries. So it may be the energy in your work situation or in your relationship, guys. So you are trying hard, doing your best. That is what I see. And also in your situation, you are celebrating some success, some initial success. You are happy for the way things are going, and maybe in your circumstances today some positive news is reaching you and you are celebrating that happy news, guys. So it may be a news in your work situation or in your relationship. So let's see what is the card specific to your relationship first. We have Two of Water. So it just means that you both share a beautiful understanding with each other, and you have that connection, that deep connection with this person, and you feel harmonious, intimate with this person. And this may be a twin flame or a soulmate connection here, guys. That is the reason we see this level of connection with that other person, Aries. So this person may be your twin flame or a soulmate. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It is Nine of Fire. So with this card in your career situation, guys, you need to be just like I spoke, there may be some difficulties. So before stepping into something new, you need to reevaluate your circumstances, think clearly, hold on to your inner wisdom and clarity before making that right choice, guys, Aries. So that is the reading with these cards, Aries. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Aries. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. I will keep this card aside. So we will see what is this card here. It says all that glitters. So with this card, the energy is that, guys, maybe in your situation, in your relationship, the circumstance calls for you to see the truth, the genuine truth behind what this person is speaking or what they are showing you, guys. The need to see beyond the superficial. Maybe sometimes we try to impress people and we we act or behave in such a way that is not true to our true nature. So we add more drama and we make ourselves more appealing to the other person. We try to hide behind that sparkle and shine. And also sometimes we fail to see the true nature or the truth in that person when we often go for glitz and glamour, guys, which is so desirable. So we often miss the people who are truly genuine towards us. So it is time to look beyond the surface. That is what this card is about, beyond the mask, to see the essence of that other person and who that person is, not what he or she can give you. That is what is important, guys, the true essence of that person. So only if you connect with that true essence, with that truth, you are going to be able to truly connect with that other person. So you should not think of what this person can do for you. You should see what they are truly. So this is the time for you to see them with your heart. Let go of that artificial shine and sparkle that you see that is visible to you, and go for that authentic shine, what they are truthfully in their heart of hearts. So this may be your energy or that person's energy, guys. Maybe you are trying to hide something about yourself or they are trying to hide something about themselves. So you need to go for truth. That is what this card is about, guys. Genuinity, authenticity, that is the card for you all, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, it is fair, brown and trembling, gifts. So with this card, the energy is that maybe in your situation today, you need not accept the fate what other people have allotted for you. You need to overcome your shyness and all that you have done, all that you have faced for this person, that humiliation and whatever pain you have endured. It has brought you something today, some positive changes today, and you need not accept what other people think of you, and you need not value the people who do not value you or respect you. So that is what this card is about. So you need to be with people who protect you, who respect you, and who will fight for you and search for you if you are not there. So you need to be with people who are there with you no matter what, and who love you for what you are and respect you genuinely, guys. So that is what this card is about. So who value you the most and who love you the most. And so even within your family or close friend circle, people really envy you. They are jealous of your gifts or the way things are in your situation. And you need to understand that your good fortune or gifts or whatever positive things you possess has been given to you, and it is your gift to enjoy, guys. You need not give away this happiness to someone else, because they may not realize its worth and they may not enjoy the fruits of your rewards, guys. So that is what this card is about. So you need to be with people who truly respect you and care for you, and you need not listen or respect to people who just see you as someone who can bear everything, who can take all humiliation, and you should not let others to use you. That is what this card is about, guys, and that is the meaning of this card. So that is the reading, guys, for you all today. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.